Ramey Street has quietly become one of the most desirable residential pockets in downtown Austin, designed for those who want to be in the center of everything and yet yearn for privacy, views, and amenities. I'm Bridget Ramey, and this is The Sky at 44 East. Positioned 42 stories high, this residence offers a generous 2,100 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. White oak hardwood floors, Bosch appliances, electric shades, surround sound, every detail designed to elevate daily living. From here, you have a vantage point that few residences in Austin have to offer. Panoramic views stretching nearly the full length of Lady Bird Lake with a perspective that feels almost suspended over the water. The primary suite continues the experience with its own balcony, soaking tub, and walk-in closet. "44 East is a newer generation of Austin luxury towers and is designed to function as a true extension of your home. With full-service concierge, resort-level amenities, guest suites, fitness center, dog lounge, and direct access to the hike and bike trail. High above the lake and positioned in the center of it all, this is The Sky at 44 East.